Okay, boys and girls, I want you to have your magnets out or your letters that you can move. And we're going to get started with our first sound word today, and we are going to build the word elf. Okay, so let's count our letters first to make sure we get each sound. E, L, F. E, L, F. E. What letter? E. O, L, F. F. Good job. How many letters do we have? E, O, F. 3 letters. E, L, F. Elf. I have seen an elf sitting next to Santa. So elf. E, O, F. I have all 3 sounds. And I'm going to ask you to underline the consonant blend. And it's LF. Those are one of our blends. We have ft, pt, ulf, ulp, ult. FT, PT, LF, LP, LT. You have all of these sound words this week. Please make sure that you're sorting them every day, and then you're going to be gluing tomorrow. Okay? All right, our next sound word is da-da-da-da, shelf. Okay, oh my goodness, I hear lots of sounds, and I want to make sure I get every sound. Sh, e, o, f. Sh. We know sh is a digraph, 2 letters, 1 sound. 2 letters, 1 sound, S-H, S-H, sh. Okay, so sh, e, o, f. Okay, so I know that I'm going to just go ahead and move these out of the way for now because I know I have way more sounds than 3 letters. Sh, S-H. Remember, 2 letters, 1 sound. E, O, L, F, F. Let's count how many letters that word has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I didn't count 5 sounds. I only counted 4. Sh, e, o, f. 1, 2, 3, 4, because I have the digraph SH. So be very careful when you're spelling words that you always spell out the digraph. That doesn't mean that you're going to have 5 sounds if you have 5 letters. Sometimes if you have a digraph or even 2 digraphs, you're only going to have that many sounds because 2 letters sometimes make 1 sound when you have a digraph. Well, actually, all the time. All the time in a digraph, 2 letters make 1 sound. We have TH, SH, WH, CH, SS. Those are the ones that we've learned. So, shelf. Let's spell it S-H-E-L-F. Do it again. S-H-E-L-F. Let's go ahead and write it down. Sh. E, ulf, shelf. Underline the blend. So I only have 2 words today. We're going to be doing more spelling tomorrow without the magnets, but today we're going to go straight into dictated sentences. So what I want you to do, I want you to turn your sheet. Your yellow sheet should be showing. And Miss Bonnie is going to grab a darker marker so you can see it better. And I want you to write the sentence, I saw the elf on a desk. I saw the elf on a desk. Okay, so let's count our words one more time. I saw the elf on a desk. 7 words. Let's start from the beginning, but let's review. Before we start writing, let's review how we write a sentence. Capital letter, finger, spaces, punctuation at the end. Okay, I, capital letter, saw. Saw is a tricky word. So saw sounds like S-O, but it's S-A-W. A-W makes the aw sound. I saw the, right, the. How do I spell the? T-H-E. I saw the elf. Elf. This is your sound word. I saw the elf on a I don't have any more space. What do I need to do? That's right. I need to move down to the next line, starting all the way at the end. Desk. I saw the elf on a desk. D. Eh. What letter? E. S. K. And what do I need at the end of my sentence? Punctuation. Okay. I can't leave my house without my shoes. My feet would get hurt on the gravel. So I need to end my sentence with punctuation. I must be wearing my shoes. I saw the elf on a desk. I always read my sentence back to myself to make sure I did not miss any words. I check for a capital letter, I check for finger spaces, and I check for punctuation. Okay? The next sentence you're just going to go ahead and start that next sentence right here. Okay? Because I want you to have space for tomorrow as well. So start your next sentence right after your period. Okay? Your next sentence that I'm not going to write for you, I'll just help you count the words, is da-da-da-da. My toy is on my shelf. Okay? My toy is on my shelf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. Okay? Before I start writing, remember your rules for writing a sentence. There are 3. Sing it with me. Capital letter, finger, spaces, punctuation at the end. So I want you to make sure that you have all 3 rules in your sentence, that you followed them. And I want you to write your sentence. Again, one more time. Your sentence is, my toy is on my shelf. Okay, I want to see your work today. Don't forget to attach it to the assignment today so I can see both your words that you wrote as well as your 2 sentences today. Okay.